Guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to view in plain text the password of your connected Wi-Fi and also the password of any Wi-Fi you have ever connected to. So let's dive right into the video. So to show the password of your connected Wi-Fi, go to control panel, search control panel on your search bar, open control panel, and then click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. So we have connection here. So Galaxy Tab A8 is the current Wi-Fi that I am connected to. Actually, I am using my uh, tablet to hotspot my laptop. So this is the access point, the name of the access point, the Wi-Fi. So click on it. So you click the name of your Wi-Fi as it is connected here. And then as it opens, this pop-up opens, click on wireless properties. So now we have connection and we have security. Click on security here. Once you click on security and click on show characters, so this is in plain text the password of my current connected Wi-Fi. So that is done. Let's go to show how to view the password of any Wi-Fi we have ever connected to. So the same thing, search for command prompt. So once it's open command prompt. So and type in this command netish WLAN show profile and click on enter, press enter. So once you enter this command and press enter, it will list all the access points, all the names of the access points you have ever connected to. So I only have one, which is my Galaxy that I'm currently connected to. I'm actually using this Windows from my virtual box. That is why I only have one connection here. So in your case, if you have ever connected to as many as you have ever connected to, everything will show under the user profiles here. So to view the password of any of them, you type the same command. So let us show profile and then type the name of the SSID. I mean the name of the Wi-Fi. So in my case, Galaxy Tab A8 CA3B and then close the parentheses. So and then add key is equal to clear. So you copy the same command I have typed here, to your command prompt, but only change the name of your Wi-Fi password. I have this in quotes because of the names here, so that our command will know this is one name, but not because we have the spaces inside. So it is advisable that you put the name of your Wi-Fi in quotes. All right, so after this, press enter. So once you press enter, so this will come up, and then once you go through security settings, so under the security settings you have the key contents. You see that is the same thing as reviewed from our settings tab. So thank you so much for watching the video. If this helped, consider liking and subscribing to the channel.